Enter at your own risk. Shit, forestry department. Smile.
I am fucking doing. Might be a fake one.
I brought you to some nice and shady.
Fucking need it.
Carl will be proud of you that you're this hiking.
Not in this heat.
It's only 31, 32 degrees. Nice breeze. We were just chilling out, nice and peaceful. Well, we're just chilling out, nice and peaceful. And then all hell broke loose. The family from hell came, started shouting at all kids, because kids are pissed off. Because really, you shouldn't be dragging kids through this heat, not little kids anyway. It's alright, Julie's a big kid. Plus she wanted a piss in the buses. So I've got to find her a latrine now. Oh hey, this looks like a nice... Kids will catch up with us. Right behind that rock, they'll go for it. I'm being a lookout. No one that way. No one that way. Couple of sharp toots of whistles and that she'll be able to stop. Have you heard her? Flooded place. Oh hey. Big smile, girl. Getting more and more rocky. Go across, sweets.
Yeah.
You watching it? What's up?
No, just admiring the views.
Alright. Is it the hill in front of you?
Yeah. How are we now?
We're going straight through the bush there. Straight through there. Underneath that tree. I know. They're in them bushes up there. They're in there somewhere on a nest. Across here, sweets. Across here. Because we're following that pipe. Won't steer you wrong, girl. I'll send you the right direction. It's getting cooler here because I'm starting to sweat. Pigeons. Wherever you go, there's pigeons. Pardon? Taking it up here. It's a nice breeze up your back. You want to step up? Oh, hey! Done like a pro then. Bit of tree growing out at rock. Bit of tree growing out at rock at all roots. Eh? Tell your Carl, look at this for hiking. Tell him.
Carl, look at this for hiking.
Proper hiking this. Some root ball that, eh? Oak root coming down from that tree. Picture. I'll get down here and take your picture, girl. Are you with it? I have to walk in front, don't I, so you can use me here. Come this side. I'm worried about you and the walking bit. Bloody hell. It said on the beginning, it said,
And took your own risk.
watch out for falling rocks. Now I have to go up there so it's over that rock where it's all smooth, where people have stepped over it. You can see where people have scrambled over. They're noisy buggers, aren't they?
Yeah. That's where that water is.
Yeah. You can get in it apparently. You can have a paddle in it. It's like we're going over the rocks. Looks like it had a landslide a bit ago. I'll have to make a new track through. It's all slipped. Cool breeze. Cool breeze. This is it slipped. All this side of the hill slipped. It's all slipped. I can hear people anyway. She's not going to like this. She isn't going to like this. Saw it going up. There's people down bottom there. Got more rockfall. More rockfall. I'm going to take her back in a minute. It's becoming quite rocky. Geckos all over the place. It's alright when you got big feet. Doesn't look to get any narrower, does it?
No.
I don't want to. She's got a sore ankle as well. We're going across a load of boulders here.
What is the point?
Alright.
No, I'm just saying, what's the point?
It's called hiking. People do this for recreational
What,
fun.
in fucking 30 degrees heat?
Yeah, of course they do. All the better. Right, we've called it. We've had enough. We've had an hour walking. It's going to take us a bit to get back. Plus, it's completely different the other way, isn't it?
Yeah.
Right up between them bushes there. Tinkerbell. I'm sitting down for a bit. It's nice and cool here, isn't it? Come on, where do I bring you?
Lovely places.
Lovely places. Lovely places. More people coming. More hikers. They're younger though. Than us. Than us. Than. We've been up there. Look at this one here. That nice, Gil? Well, it's clear enough anyway. Might you just sit on that rock there with all...
Which one?
Whichever, the one there. I know, you do strange things. What?
You fucking will be, aren't you?
Posing, yeah, you're posing.
Go, man.
Take some pictures of you.
Go, man. Pause it.
Posing again. Alright. Posing away there. Steph, look at your bag. Reminder that you've only lent it.
Sorry, Steph.
Sorry, not good enough that.
We'll clean. Andy's fault, not mine.
I'm just going to throw it in pool over there. Made it to car park.
I just.
Got a nice sandwich, burger, ice cream, drinks bar. Just what you need, isn't it? What you on?
When you get back, yeah, you get a nice cold drink, don't you?
Or you can have a hot burger. Or it makes a hot cup of tea if you want a hot cup of tea. What are you going to say then?
Nothing.
Right.
Come on.
Have to go back to the car now.
You can make it.
Keep going forward. Can't keep stopping.
I'm coming.
Get a good suntan walking in sun like this.
You can burn your ass off.
birds better be disappear. Them birds better disappear. There's going to be a bang in a minute.
Where's our car?
Just up here, behind that red one. Behind that red car.
Huh?
There, see car from here. We've walked quite a distance. Ready for the bang. Where's the bang? Fucking some loud bangs, that innit? She's here. See? Take you to all the best places, don't I? Eh? You're good. How fit and healthy do you feel now?
Fucking knackered. Fuck. I can't fucking touch anything.
It is scorching hot in here. You can't touch nothing. It's red hot. Is this on this? Oh, it's cool. It's coming cool. It's coming cool, girl. Get your face on that. But don't burn your head on the fire. It's on the wheel.